Hey drone enthusiasts and sky explorers, 2025 is here and it brought some seriously next-level drones with it. From 8K video recording to obstacle avoidance and touchscreen remotes, today we're diving into the top 5 new drones of 2025 that are turning heads on AliExpress. Whether you're a beginner or a professional filmmaker, you'll find something powerful and feature-packed in this list. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's take off. Number 1. SX1 drone. Let's start with the SX1, a compact powerhouse. At first glance, it may look like your average foldable drone, but under the hood, it's an absolute beast. The highlight? A built-in 3-axis anti-shake gimbal 8K HD EIS camera and a unique controller with a display screen. No need to connect your phone. It uses 5G Wi-Fi and GPS for ultra-smooth control and stable FPV transmission even from a distance. Plus, this little guy features brushless motors, intelligent flight modes, and even follow-me tracking for dynamic content creation. Key features: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 8K HD EIS camera, foldable design, 5G GPS plus smart modes, screen-integrated remote. Pros: superb video clarity for the price, easy to fly with return to home, doesn't need your phone to operate. For vloggers and content creators on a budget, the SX1 offers serious value with that 8K camera and gimbal. A strong start to our list. Number 2. Teeggi SG909 Max. At number 2 is the Teeggi SG909 Max, and this one's for the pros. What sets it apart immediately is the 6 kilometers range and the built-in touchscreen on the remote. That's right, it's like a mini drone command station in your hands. It has a 4K UHD camera with clear video quality and supports 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Perfect for flying in dense areas, near trees, or indoors. This drone also features waypoint flying, gesture photography, and intelligent flight paths. Key features: 6 kilometers transmission, touchscreen controller, foldable design, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 4K UHD camera. Pros: long range and battery life, very user-friendly touchscreen system, multi-directional collision prevention. If you want full control in your hands and premium-level flying, the SG909 Max delivers professional-grade features at a mid-range price. Number 3. U198 5G drone with 8K. Next up, the U198 5G drone, and this is the hidden gem of the list. Packed with an 8K camera, GPS return to home, and obstacle avoidance. This drone is an excellent choice for intermediate flyers who want ultra-high definition recording without breaking the bank. What's unique is the optical localization that allows the drone to hover with incredible precision, making it ideal for indoor shots or low-speed tracking. Key features: 8K camera, GPS plus optical localization, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, obstacle detection, intelligent flight features. Pros: incredible video detail at this price. Auto hover for stable recording. Great safety features, perfect for creators looking for a balance of affordability, image quality, and tech. The U198 punches way above its weight class. Number 4. HSP106M FPV racing drone. Now for something different, the HSP106M, a professional FPV racing drone with a 10-inch carbon fiber frame. If you crave speed and tight cornering, this drone is built for racing, freestyle, and aerial agility. It has a 4K FPV camera, customizable components, and a 6-axis design for maximum flight stability even at high speeds. While it's not built for cinematic filming, it excels in performance-heavy environments, perfect for drone racing leagues and enthusiasts. Key features: 10-inch carbon fiber frame, 6-axis FPV setup, 4K FPV camera, GPS support. Pros: extremely durable, built for high-speed stunts. Modular design for upgrades. For racing fans and FPV thrill seekers, the HSP106M offers speed and customizability in one solid frame. Number 5. Teeggi KF104 Max 2. And finally, we've got the Teeggi KF104 Max 2. Another multi-purpose drone that comes packed with features typically found in drones twice the price. With a 3-axis gimbal, 4K UHD camera, 6 kilometers range, and 360 degrees obstacle detection, it's built for creators who want reliability, smooth footage, and confidence in flight. The remote control comes with a built-in screen, just like the SG-909, making it perfect for field work without depending on your phone. Key features: 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal, foldable design, obstacle avoidance, screen-integrated RC, long battery life. Pros: excellent camera stability, great range and flight control, versatile for casual and pro use. For those who want the full experience video, control, and safety, the KF-104 Max 2 is a top-tier pick. So there you have it, the top 5 new drones of 2025. From racing beasts to cinematic flycams, there's a drone here for every type of pilot. Which one would you choose to fly in 2025? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more deep dives into the best tech on the market. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next flight.